Westport. We're in Sidney on Vancouver Island today, and we're showing you a newly listed Catalina 30 that's got a story. Come on down and have a look. So one of the reasons why I choose to work at Thunderbird Yacht Sales is because Thunderbird is very people orientated. Every boat has a story, and it's not just about inventory for us. Once in a while, we get a boat that has been assigned to a trustee, and never forget that there's a story behind that. So that's the first thing, is we're always really respectful of that. Orestes is a 1988 Catalina 30, and she's a Mark II, which means she's one of the later generations made of this hugely popular boat. She is being listed for sale. She's going to be done by auction with showings on November 12th and 13th between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Times. And then sealed bids are going to be accepted on Monday, November 13th up to 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Minimum bid is $12,500. This is a fantastic boat for somebody who's willing to do a little bit of TLC and take her on to the next level. Come on aboard and we'll give you a walkthrough. So in a case like this, the boat is sold as is, where is. No survey, no mechanical, no sea trial. That's going to give somebody an opportunity to come in and really sort of assess what the boat has to offer. And you're going to notice right away, brand new Magna barbecue. I don't think this thing has ever been used. Comes with a Nissan outboard, 5 horsepower, wheel steering, and everything that you see is included. Coming down below, you're going to notice that although these are a bit dirty and green, this is all relatively new running rigging. So there's clearly been some money spent on this boat. Self-tailing winches and this fantastic huge cockpit, which Catalina 30s are known for, with these oversized companionway doors, which not only gives you great access going in and out of the cabin, it also gives it tons of light and ventilation. Come on down below. And it's that wow for Catalina 30s that they get every time. There is simply no bigger 30-foot boat out there than the Catalina 30. Massive V berth up front, convertible dinette. This drops down to another double single bunk here. And then because the engines are located just forward of the galley, it means you actually get a twin size quarter berth. So these are way bigger. So this boat will easily sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adults. 30 feet. Remember, just an LOA of 30 feet. She's got Force 10 propane heater. There is a proper propane tank that's been built in the out in the cockpit, and a really decent size head with shower. Great size galley again. 30 feet. Remember, just 30 feet. So she's got double stainless sinks, two burner propane stove and oven, huge ice box. And then this boat is actually, and this is why this boat is somewhat special, somebody's been really smart and has put a second ice box in the nav table. Perfect for cruising. Make sure you take a look at the fact that the AC wiring has been upgraded. She's got a newer VHF radio. This boat has a ton to offer. She just needs somebody to come in with some TLC now and take her to that next level. So remember, November 12th and 13th is when she's going to be available for showing. Check out our website, www.thunderbirdmarine.com. It's got all the listings and all the details of how the sealed bid process is going to work. And the Catalina 30 could be yours.